We've never talked about this app before, but you can actually make over $600 for free with this one single app. This app is available for both iOS and Android, and it's absolutely free to install. Now in this video, I'm going to show you 3 different apps that have nothing to do with that third app. So 2 different apps. First 2 apps is going to pay you to install them, so you can maximize your results and make as much money as you possibly can with those 3 apps. So first 2 apps are just going to help you make some passive income for free, because as I said, you just need to install them. So I'm going to show you those 2 apps, and then I'm going to show you the third app that we never talked about before. Again, this is going to pay you $600 for free. Alright, before we start, if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to our channel because it's about making money online every single day. So if you hit the bell icon, it will let you know whenever there are new strategies like this one to make money online. So you can be the first to use that strategy, use that app, or use that website to make money online, and that way you'll be one step ahead of your competitors, and of course, you'll make the most money. With that being said, we will go jump into the app so that I can explain everything. Okay, so here we are, and before I show the app that will actually pay you, I just want to show you more apps. So in total, I'm going to show you 3 different apps in this video. The first one, I'll show you a few different apps. They're really going to pay you to do nothing. You just need to install them and you can leave them like that, and then you can focus on the last app that I'm about to show you, where we can earn over $600, but then you will have these 2 apps making you passive income for free. Yes, you heard that right. This first 2 apps will pay you to do nothing. You just need to install them, and then I'm going to show you the third app. This is going to pay you $600 for free. This third app is something we've never talked about, and it's something super amazing, as I said, and we never mentioned this one before in this channel, so it's gonna be amazing. And at the end of this video, I'm gonna give you something of a gift, so make sure to stay tuned all the way to the end. Okay, the first app that we're gonna be using is this. This is their official website, but obviously we'll just install this app directly onto our phone, and basically how this works is this is a free app that will allow you to make money online automatically by receiving SMS generated by the system and customers. You just need to install this to your smartphone, create an account, and it's just going to send you some random messages, SMS messages, and you don't have to reply to those messages. They literally have no meaning. It's just going to be some random numbers and letters, and you can even delete them right after you receive them, but you'll still get paid for every SMS that you receive. So, no work needed. You'll just have to receive the SMS passively. You don't have to do anything, just sign up to this app, and that's all you have to do. Every single day they're going to send you new text messages, and you're going to get paid for each message, as I said. So basically you can come work here, read more about how it works, but this one works only for Android. But keep watching because the next apps are going to work for both iOS and Android, but this one only works for Android, so if you have an iOS device, it won't work. So their application is exclusive in Android page because only Android allows to read SMS. You just need to install your app and get paid, but they're out and put their money-making app for excuse SMS text messages, and this is how many % secure. Now, their app does not read any of your data, so they won't snoop around your private messages or use any other data. They'll read only their own test SMS, so they will not steal info, they will not read your private messages or whatever, and it's secure. I've done tunnel research on this app, and people are just loving the amount of money they're making with the app, and they're loving how the system actually works, because as you can see, it's automatic. You earn money with the app passively without any active actions required from your side, and they also have a really nice recurring program where you can earn 30% from your referrals earnings. So if you refer a friend to this app or to this website and then they sign up, they start making money, wants to make one and wants to make for like $100, you will get $30 for free passively. Full lifetime, you're going to be earning passive income from tabs from them. So yes, there's definitely a lot of different ways to make passive income with the Money SMS app, and of course, this is free. You will not have to pay for anything as it will stay free forever, and you can learn more about how this actually works. So basically, just sign up and receive automatic text messages and get paid. These are some of the screenshots and how it looks inside the dashboard. This is how it's gonna look like, and this is the referral code that you can share with your friends and family, and you can also share it on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, or share to some Facebook groups about making money online. Just tell them that they can make passive income from that app, and then just send your referral link, and you can still make some passive income from your referrals And that's the really nice thing about this app. As you can see, this is camera legit. As at the Money SMS, they take all the national matters to ensure that they comply with the latest GDP or privacy policy requirements. If you're not sure whether they pay their users, you can check the proofs of payments for many users on an independent website and those business ratings. You can read more about them on this website. You can see that people are actually receiving money from this website, and as I said, I've done a ton of research and this website does indeed work. By the way, the website or cache that's being said was called Money SMS App, or this website moneysmsapp.com. Now, the next app that you can use to make some free passive income is called Cash Magnet or cashmagnetapp.com. You will install it to your Android device. This one as well works only for Android, but keep watching because the last app is going to pay you and it's going to be available for both iOS and Android as well. I'm going to give you something for free at the end, so make sure to watch this video all the way. So basically, you get money from your Android phone and they pay you for every minute of that time when you do nothing. As you can see, you literally need to do nothing. They have your largest payments because Cash Magnet unites all the best reward programs you want to play. So this one is actually going to pay you way more than the Money SMS app, and we're kind of going from the lowest paying app to the highest paying app. So you can read more about it. You don't need to perform any task. So watch ads or play games, earnings will come in, and absolutely autonomous and passive up mode. You can literally be sleeping, you can be doing something else, you could be, eating lunch, you can be going outside drinking water, you could be reading news. Whatever you do regularly, just do that every single day and you will still get paid just for installing this app and just leaving over your smartphone out there. So prepare to earn several times more, and in only 3 months of work in the Cash Magnet and you can buy another brand new phone that works for you around the clock. This is how thousands of their satisfied users do it. You can literally buy a brand new phone 3 months after using this. It's absolutely safe, guaranteed your data and personal settings will not be used in any way. So earn money using your phone for doing nothing, passive income. You can read more about what a Cash Magnet actually is. So this is an Android app developer income while you're not using the phone. So you can just leave your phone out there and you just have the app installed on your phone and you'll be making passive income. If you don't want to install this on your main phone for whatever reason, you can install it in some old spare phone you may have. Now, right before I give you the last app, the main app that will actually pay over $600, and right before I give you the thing at the end of this video, if you haven't already, be sure to drop a like to this video, leave a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or you simply need some help, feel free to leave a comment down below because I'll be reading all of those comments and I'll try to reply as soon as possible or as soon as I see that comment. Now, with that being said, the app that we're going to be using is this one right here. I'll give you the app name in a second, but yes, this one is going to pay you $600, so you can earn up to $600 in a year just by listening to music. So all you have to do is install this, either iOS or Android. It's available for both App Store and Google Play Store. Super Tiles are satisfied, so that's really cool. So there will be no complaint in the comments that it only works for either Android or iOS. This one works for both sides and you're gonna get paid just by listening to music. That's all you have to do. Install the app, listen to music, earn more points. The more you play, the more music you listen to, the more money you're gonna make. So basically, in your free time, you're getting paid just to listen to music. So search and play from 100,000 plus radio stations so you can find your favorite music and listen to them, and you're just gonna get paid. You don't have to listen to some, random rapper from SoundCloud that you don't even like. You can actually listen to music you enjoy and you'll still get paid for doing that. I mean, obviously, you guys already listen to a lot of music every day anyway. Well, now you can get paid for doing that. It's really amazing, and points by playing your favorite music, spend your points on your favorite brands, and much more. As you can see, this is available in many countries on this list, and then you can install the app to your smartphone and start making money with this one. So the app name is actually current.us. This is the website name, current.us. The logo should look something like this. This is the logo. Search for the Current app on your Apple Store or Google Play Store and just find that app. And that is it for today's video. If you liked it and want to see more, give this video a thumbs up below, and if you don't want to miss out on any of my upcoming uploads, click that red subscribe button and the notifications so you get notified whenever a new video pops up. And as always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.